What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is Monday. It is like 7:30-ish, I think. We are resuming the Hot Wheels, the mini Hot Wheels, the mini series for the Hot Wheels, the 2007 mystery packs. Hop right into getting these Hot Wheels opened up right now. Alright, guys, so we unfortunately only have 7 boxes left. I do plan on ordering more soon, within the next couple of weeks, but so these 7 are gonna be the last 7 for about a week to week and a half. But this is mini series number 4. We're going to get to opening up these last 7 boxes. Hopefully I can get more, order more this Friday if they're still available. But let's get right into this. Let's try to get right into this. And we have a different colored track tee this time. This one's white instead of gray. Pretty cool, but not exactly what we're looking for. That's alright. So, different but still the same. Different as in the paint scheme. Same because we have a ton of track tees that I don't know what to do with. We have another C6 Corvette, red C6. I believe this is our second one, if I remember correctly. And at the end of this video, I will show you guys all the cars that we have in our card collection from the mystery Hot Wheels. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay. Here we have another Bugatti. So this is Bugatti number 4, I believe. We have 2 blue and white, 2 yellow and black. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Keep the boxes, hold on. Keep the Bugatti boxes separate from everything else. I might try to do something with that later. Whether it's sell them or whatever, but I want to keep the boxes with the cars. It doesn't matter with the other cars, just Bugattis. This box, I can already tell it's got a wrapper because you can't feel the car move inside of it. So maybe it's the animated Batman series or something else, but we have gotten a few of the other cars in wrappers, and so far they're the same things. So, let's see. Oh, that's different.
It's new. It's green.
That's really weird. I haven't seen this car yet. That's why I said new. Let's see, this is called Symbolic. So now we have a Symbolic. That's kind of weird.
I want to open one.
You want to open one?
Yeah.
Alright, you can open the next one.
Okay.
But you have to be in front of the camera.
I know.
Okay. Which, where I have the camera right now, they can't really see anything.
Ooh, a new one. Looks like a GT. Mixed with like 3 other cars.
It looks weird. So this one is called Chaparral 2D, Chaparral, and then 2D. Very different. It does kind of have like that GT look to it, but it also has like
Only the front.
a Porsche, like McLaren. I don't know. It's definitely it's weird. So Chloe's gonna open up a box.
A box. Da bears. This isn't easy. Oh, we have.
You got it. Here, twist it sideways.
Another new one.
That one actually, I've seen that before, but I forgot what the name is. So we got an orange with white stripe, I guess you could call it.
Rapid Transit.
That's what it is, Rapid Transit. So, pretty cool.
Yeah, I opened one. It was new.
I don't know what this would be based off of. It really doesn't look like much.
It looks like the Dukes of Hazzard car, but like beefed up.
Sort of. A little bit more modernized, a little,
Yeah.
excuse me.
I wanted to open up the Batman.
Looks weird.
So the new ones will go over here, and then the ones we already have will go over there. Wow, we got a lot of new ones. Everything's been different so far, which I definitely just jinxed us.
Oh, here we
purple!
are.
Finally! Purple!
So we have about, I believe,
like 4?
we have between 4 and 6 of these bugs. So I don't know if you guys can pick it up on camera, but this has ghost flames on it as well.
It does! Can I see
you
it?
guys can kind of see it.
Here,
No,
here.
Wait. Nope, right there. You guys can see the outline right there. Chloe insists on the light.
Is that helping? Or making it worse?
It's so. But yeah, you guys can see the ghost stripes on the side. We have more of these, but orange, green. This is, yeah.
More.
I think my math was off because we have more than.
We had
5,
4,
6, 7.
4, and 3.
Okay, I said 7, and we have a little bit more than 7.
Yeah.
Oh well, I don't care. It is what it is. And we have, I can't even tell just by touching it. Oh, we have a repeat. That's all right.
No, it's not.
Nothing different about that.
Yeah. It's next to your brother.
So we got 3 left.
Oh my gosh,
This guy,
the windshield has
these
has a wiper blade on it.
That's cool. Just getting at your makeup brush.
Yeah, it's old. Should have it.
This one is also a wrapper. Hopefully it's not the same as the Rapid Transit.
Batman!
Oh, that's different
Ooh,
too.
That is cool. Wow, we're getting lucky like a ducky. It looks like a Lambo mixed with an alien spaceship.
I was gonna say it looks like the Lamborghini Terzo Millenio, which I'll put a screenshot of right here, kind of here. Yeah, that's what it looks like, but it's called the Side Drift.
That's a lame name. No offense to.
Quick backstory on the Terzo Millenio. It was actually developed in Boston, Massachusetts. We have another wrapped car.
Look.
It was, oh, that does open up. So you guys can see it.
Don't worry, I'll help.
Yeah, my finger's in the way.
Move your finger.
So that's just the engine, I'm guessing.
Wow, that's a great shot.
Yeah, that's the engine. So the Terzo Millenio was developed in Boston, Massachusetts, 45 minutes away from us, at MIT. It was like a 4-year project or something like that. I don't know the exact history behind it, but they had it on display outside of MIT. And unfortunately, I couldn't go see it, which I wish I did because it is
That was
now.
red, I saw. I peeked.
Because it is now at the Lamborghini factory in Italy.
Oh, it's cool! We're getting so many cool colors.
We have a 4-wheeler. That's different. I didn't know you could get a 4-wheeler. And it's called the Sand Stinger.
No. Over here.
And
Wow.
our very last car,
Which is the Batmobile. I can feel it in my soul.
I believe it's wrapped, but I can actually feel it's tipped sideways. So,
Hello. Batman. Another one.
come on.
Aw, son of a biscuit.
That's lame.
Yeah, it was.
So now we have 3 of a kind for these things. Here's our lineup for tonight.
This one looks more blue than these. Like darker blue, doesn't it?
No, I think it looks. Wait, the middle one looks.
The middle one looks dark blue, and these ones look almost lighter blue.
Yeah, you guys can't see on camera, but it almost does look that way. So we got another Bugatti. We got another C6 Corvette. I already forgot the name of those 2. Oh, those 3. We have a Rapid Transit, a Track T, another Volkswagen Beetle
With the ghost flames.
with the Ghost Flames. Forgot the name. And a Sand Stinger. Yeah. So, I'm going to pause you guys real quick, and then I'm going to get the rest of our cars in the collection so far. Alrighty, so here is the entire collection. First off and foremost, we have the 4 Bugatti Veyrons. We got a steel flame on each side. We have the 5 C6 Corvettes behind those. with one Plymouth Barracuda on the left, one Plymouth Barracuda on the right. Here in the middle, we have a Watt 4.2, a Watt 4.2, followed by 4 Corvette Stingrays. I already forgot the name of that one. And that one with the Stingray, not the Stingray, the Sand Stinger right behind that. Don't remember the name of that car. We have 4 Track T's right there in the back row with another one right next to it. I already forgot the name of those 3, sorry. Back here we have the Rapid Transit, I think that's called. I have a bad memory when it comes to this stuff. With all the Volkswagen Beetles in the back, with this guy right here, right here, and the 4 chrome kind of colored cars. I always say this looks like a Camaro. Yeah, 3. What did I say?
4.
Oh, 3. Yep. I always say it looks like a Camaro. I don't know what it truly is, but here's our collection so far, guys. Like I said, this is video number 4 of the mini series. I do want to try to keep going as long as I can get these cars. Right now, there are a couple sellers still out there. It's just a matter of money. I unfortunately did lose a couple big lots. I wasn't quick enough with the rebid, but it is what it is. You can't win them all. So with that being said, we are going to take a little break from this mini series. Hopefully within the next couple of weeks or so, we'll be able to pick it right back up. But I enjoy doing this. I enjoy the mystery of what you're gonna get. Thankfully, we have 4 Bugattis. We could have 0 because of how rare they are. I would love to find a Maserati MC12 to add to the collection, but you just never know what you're gonna get. So if you guys do enjoy this mini series, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe. If you subscribe, I will give you a subscriber shout out. Tonight's subscriber shout out goes to Frank's Kids. I will leave a picture of your profile right here. I will leave a link in the description to your profile. Again, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. If you guys want that subscriber shout out, you just gotta hit that subscribe button. Press the bell icon to get push notifications so you guys never miss a new upload. Leave a comment down below to what your favorite Hot Wheels might be in my collection, your collection, in general. It doesn't really matter. But like I said, guys, I hope to pick this back up within the next couple of weeks when I do get more cars. And we'll see you guys next time.